Welcome to the world of home theaters. Imagine stepping into a space where every movie feels larger than life, every sound surrounds you, and every seat offers unmatched comfort. A well designed home theater brings the magic of cinema right into your home. But what makes a great home theater? It all comes down to five key elements: audio, video, control, acoustics, lighting and seating. Video, the heart of the experience. A stunning visual experience is the foundation of any home theater. Projectors offers large screen viewing, perfect for a cinematic feel, while high-end TVs deliver exceptional clarity and color. Projection screens come in various styles including fixed frame, motorized, and ambient lighting rejection ALR screens designed to enhance brightness and contrast. Refresh rates, resolution, and screen size are crucial factors in achieving the best picture quality, ensuring the smooth and immersive visuals. A properly positioned screen with the right viewing distance maximizes the impact of every scene. Audio, surround sound that pulls you in. The right audio setup transforms the way you experience movies, making you feel like you are inside the action. Surround sound system uses multiple speakers to create a dynamic sound field. Speaker placement plays a key role. Front speakers for a dialogue, surround speakers for a depth, and subwoofer for a powerful bass. 3D audio technologies like Dolby Atmos introduced overhead sounds, adding realism to every effect. An AV receiver distributes sound efficiently, ensuring a perfect balanced audio experience. A well calibrated sound system brings every whisper, explosion, and a soundtrack to life. Acoustics, the science of perfect sound. Acoustic treatments control how sound moves within the room, eliminating echoes and distortions. Acoustic panels absorb unwanted reflections and enhances speech clarity and sound balance. Bass traps manages low frequencies, preventing overpowering bass notes. Carpets, rugs, and upholstered furnitures help control reverberations, making the sound warmer and more natural. Sealed doors and insulated walls keeps external noise out and the theater sounds in. With the right acoustic setup, every note in a dialogue is crisp, clear, and immersive. Lighting, the art of ambience. Proper lighting sets the perfect cinema like atmosphere without disrupting the viewing experience. Dimmable ceiling lights allow control over the brightness level. LED strip lighting behind the screen and along the ceiling enhances the immersion. Wall scenes or a co-lighting creates a soft glow without causing a glare. Smart lighting systems adjust the brightness and a color based on the scene. A well-lit theater ensures maximum comfort while keeping the focus on the screen. Seating, ultimate comfort for a long movie nights. Comfortable seating is essential for a relaxed and enjoyable experience. Recliners with an adjustable backrest and a footrest offers the ultimate luxury. Stadium style seating layouts provide an unobstructed view for everyone. Proper spacing between the seats ensures the best viewing angle and a comfort. A thoughtfully designed seating arrangement ensures every guest enjoy the show in absolute comfort. Experience the magic with Dsquare. A home theater isn't just about equipment, it's about designing a space where every detail is optimized for the best performance. At Dsquare, we specialize in creating custom home theater solutions that bring your vision to life. Book a meeting with us today and let's craft the perfect home theater for your space.